Hi, I'm Dorothy Schafer. I'm an associate professor at UMass Chan Medical School. I'm one of the co-organizers of the Neuroimmune Keystone, this coming up this summer in June. It's clear that neuroimmune interactions are governing neural inflammation now in brain environments and throughout the nervous system. But it's now become increasingly appreciated that these immune mechanisms and interactions with the nervous system are also going on throughout the body. So we wanted to create a meeting that really combined all of this kind of how the neural circuits can control whole organism physiology and organ homeostasis, as well as immunity, as well as immune mechanisms that regulate neural circuits into one meeting. There's a lot of meetings on more neural inflammation really restricted to the nervous system, particularly the brain. There's other meetings that are really focused on peripheral organ homeostasis, and some of that includes neural regulation. But there's really combining all that into one meeting is something very unique about this meeting, I think. And also, we're running this meeting in conjunction with the neurodegeneration keystone, which I think gives a really amazing environment for looking both on the basic science level at these whole body physiology, but also translational neuroscience in the context of neurodegenerative diseases. I am most interested in hearing about kind of this organ brain crosstalk. My lab has gotten more and more interested in this selfishly, and how peripheral organ status can impact the brain and vice versa. And, I haven't been to many meetings related to this, and so I'm really excited to hear more about this. It's really hard to get into the brain with therapeutics. And if we can identify ways in which the whole body interacts with the brain, and those could be targeted therapeutically in disease, I think this opens up that possibility with this meeting and opening up these new collaborations. We're going to have a session on more kind of machine learning and AI that I think is really exciting. I mean, this is rapidly evolving throughout all our lives, not just scientifically. So I think this is going to be really exciting. I think we'll also see new developments in omics types of techniques, especially spatial omics. And I think that'll also be a really exciting area that will be touched on in the meeting. I think the meeting for trainees is fantastic. There are so many opportunities to interact with leaders in academia, industry, and also, again, program officers and editors of journals. And I think that's such an important aspect of their networking and being able to interact scientifically and also meet their peers. But I think it's also a fantastic opportunity for them to present. They can present a poster, but also a large portion of our program has been designated for short talks, which we select from the abstracts. And we like to really focus on trainees for that. The deadline for that is March 11th, with the poster deadline being in May 15th. So I think trainees should definitely take advantage of that, because it's a great opportunity for them to get in front of an audience and really show off what they've been doing and get more interaction with people from the audience. So please join us this summer. I think it'll be an exciting meeting. We'll have both industry, academics, and other and aspects of the scientific community coming to this meeting. I think we will have such a good time at a beautiful location.